Hello 18! Welcome back to my channel. Ang naiba kay Ken, ang mas maganda sa kanya ay iba-iba ang kanyang atake sa pananamit sa kanyang OOTD. Every time may event, ito nga ang picture natin, photo slideshow, basking time ng SB19 sa Taipei Main Station. Iba-iba ang OOTD ng ating Ken. Kaya naman naiba talaga siya. Super talented sa pananamit, fashion.
Keep my head up when I act, head up that's a fact. Never looking back, I'ma keep myself on track. Keep my head up staying strong, always moving on. Feel I don't belong, tell my thoughts to move along. Push myself to be the best, die with no regrets. Live with every breath, see my message start to spread. And I had so many dreams, then you hit your teens. Life ain't really what it seems, try to find out what it means. Always do it on my own, so I gotta get through it.